Stop scrolling. You're about to hear 5 facts so unreal they feel like VFX, but they're 100% real. Let's dive in. Fact 1. The fire tornado. In some wildfires, fire whirlwinds form. They're giant tornadoes made of flames. They can spin like hailstorms and reach 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to melt metal. It looks like a movie scene, but it's actually nature. Fact 2. Bubble freezing in real time. When you blow a soap bubble in minus 30 degrees Celsius, it freezes mid-air into a delicate, icy orb. You can literally see crystals forming across the surface. Real-time beauty with no CGI. Fact 3. Slow motion, lightning strike. High-speed cameras have captured lightning strikes frame by frame, and it looks like a snake made of electricity. Instead of a single flash, it crawls across the sky in slow motion. Incredible and real. Fact 4. Bioluminescent waves, 15 seconds. Some beaches glow neon blue at night because of tiny marine plankton. When the waves move, they light up like glowing liquid stars crashing on shore. No filter, no edit, just natural magic. Fact 5. Morning glory clouds. In Australia, there's a rare cloud called morning glory. They're long, tube-shaped clouds that stretch for miles and roll like a wave. They are so massive and symmetrical they look completely fake, but they're real and rare. Can you believe all this is natural? If your mind is blown, hit the like and subscribe for more real-life facts every